One basic fundamental question hits in your mind while studying NCERT: what is an art and culture? In this video, let's decode what is an art and culture. See, culture is a way of a living. For example, we can say the food we eat. For example, we can say the dresses we wear. For example, we can say the way we worship God and Goddess. That is an art and culture. I repeat, culture is a way of living. The food we eat, the dress we wear, and worshipping the God and Goddess, that is in culture. In broader prospect, it having a 4 element. First element, that is religion. First element, that is religion. Religion means the philosophy you follow. The philosophy you follow. Philosophy you follow. For example, we can say Sikh religion, Jain religion, Bauddhi religion, that is the 4th religion of the world. 7% population of the world follow the Bauddha religion. So, the religion is what? Nothing, that is a philosophy you follow. And architecture having a 2 element. Architecture having a 2 element. It shows the economical status. Economical status as well as message to existence of your philosophy. आप ऐसे सोचने की कोशिश कीजिए, बड़े बड़े मंदिर में, तिरुपति मंदिर ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश, Tirupati Mandir of Madhya Pradesh. It shows that what? Religious philosophy, economical status, and the message of the existence of your religion. And literature is nothing. Basically, it is a mirror of a society. Literature is what? Mirror of a society. Nowadays, we can say that the movie is a mirror of a society. In ancient time, literature is a mirror of a society. And fine art is what? Fine arts is a mediator or a part of to propagate your philosophy, that is in fine art. So, 4 elements are there, that is a religion. Religion means philosophy you follow. I have told Jainism. Jain religions you are following. For example, first example Jain religion, second example Sikh religions, third example Hinduism, Buddhism. Religions you follow, and architecture image shows what? The philosophy and the economical status and message of existence of your philosophy. Message of existence of your philosophy. Literature basically what? Literature basically a mirror of your society, and the fine art is what? To propagate this philosophy. For example, Giddha. You heard about the Giddha. So 4 element and a broader perspective, we can say that is a society. This is known as art and culture. And art and culture basically what they show it. Let's recollect the art and culture. Art and culture, we take the term that is a culture. Culture is a way of a living. First element, that is food we eat, dress we wear, and the worship to God Goddess, the way we are worshipping to the God or Goddess, that is a culture. And it having a 4 to 5 element. First element, religion. Religion मतलब धर्म जो आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं, रिलीजन जो आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं. मैंने आपको एग्जांपल बताया, पहला एग्जांपल जैसे कि एग्जांपल के लिए जैनिज्म. यानी कि एग्जाम्पल के लिए आपका बौद्धिज्म, एग्जाम्पल के लिए आपका सिखिज्म, हिंदुइज्म जो आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं। आर्किटेक्चर क्या शो कर रहा है? आपका धर्म का एग्जिस्टेंस, लिविंग, उसी को बोलते हैं आर्किटेक्चर। शो क्या करता है? इकोनॉमिकल स्टेटस। मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया तिरुपति टेम्पल, एग्जांपल आपको दिया मीनाक्षी अम्मन टेम्पल। ये क्या शो कर रहा है? आर्किटेक्चर। इसी से जुड़ा हुआ आपका क्या वो है? लिटरेचर। लिटरेचर बेसिकली क्या शो करता है? मिरर ऑफ द सोसाइटी। जैसे एग्जांपल के लिए आप ऐसे सोचिए, रिसेंटली मूवी इज द मिरर। लास्ट थिंग दैट इज फाइन आर्ट। फाइन आर्ट इज डिफाइनिंग व्हाट? टू प्रोपेगेट द रिलीजन, प्रोपेगेट द लिटरेचर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल गिद्धा, गिद्धा डांस करते हैं, बिहू डांस। एंड कल्चर, एंड आर्ट एंड कल्चर से डिफाइन व्हाट? Art and culture is only defining the status of a nation. You had heard about a culture tour, Italy, Japan. These are the most prominent place we are having a cultural tour. Like the video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get the latest update, and please like, do comment on the comment section.